Well, hello there, YouTube. We're finally up at our new house. We're not completely moved in yet. Got my desk built. Got to hook up. Oh, I got to find a water extension for that. Finally here. Look at my yard. I mowed it Sunday when we were here. Got lots of pretty grass. And we're here. Very cool. We're going to head home today, but we got there's my new mower. I had to buy that and bring it up here too. We're not quite moved in full time yet. We still got some stuff to do at the other house, or the old house, but I have to run to Lowe's. Yep, got my thing, garage door clicker in the little back thing. There we go. And I'm gonna go to Lowe's in Greenville. Yep, get out of reverse. I left my lights on in there. Oop, I opened that door accidentally. Yeah, let me close that one now. Jeez Louise. I think I pressed it accidentally going in there. It's just this little one. Triple one. There we go. Garage door opener opens 3 doors. Met my neighbors over there. They're super nice. Met my neighbors there. Gosh, I met them everywhere pretty much. But we're not 100% moved in. We got furniture. Got bed. Excuse me. God, I don't know why I've been coughing so much. Yeah, put my shield down. And so we're not quite all the way moved in. I think maybe in 2 weeks, because we still have to, we're waiting for the pollen to stop in Austin. The oak pollen is absolutely horrible. Turns your vehicles completely green. And then so we have to like mulch, power wash, and then they can come out and take pictures. And the last thing to do is move some animals up here, and once the animals are up here, this is going to be our permanent place, so we can always go back and do other stuff. But hopefully we can get it sold pretty soon anyway, or in May. Yay, it's a little nippy. It cooled off yesterday. It was like in the 50s. I don't know what it is today. It hasn't been out that long, but I'm in shorts and a t-shirt, and I wouldn't have done that yesterday. But I don't have my remote, so I'm having to control by pressing the button. We still got one full storage unit in here. We've cleared one out. My son was here last week and we cleared one out together. He worked hard. Oh, this road's not the greatest road here. Looks like they cut it up again to put some more fiber in there. And they didn't fix it. This is Interstate 30 here. We're not too far off of 30. If the wind's coming out of the north, we can hear 30. There's a drag strip about a mile down here, and I don't know if they do it once a month or whatever, but man, you can hear those dragsters from the house, which are super loud. It depends on where the wind's coming from. Good seafood burger place right here. We could walk. We've eaten there quite a bit. They got good catfish and good seafood and the smash burgers, but I make good smash burgers now, so I won't do that. A little chilly, not too bad. Didn't bring an air compressor up, so I can't really check tire pressure. I guess that'll be the next. I still got the Spider in Liette at home, and I didn't bring it up here yet. just brought this up here on the trailer Sunday. But I gotta go to Lowe's. Bye. Well, hello again, YouTube. It is still, what is today? I forgot. I worked all morning, but I had to get my office set up in the shop. And I'm at Greenville at Lowe's. It's a few miles up the road. Nothing's close to me at the new place. Nothing. Everything's either in Greenville or Rockwall. So Greenville's a little bit closer than Rockwall, and it's a lot less crowded. But now I got like I got 50 foot of Ethernet cord just in case I need to go up in the attic and hook to my wireless and then use my bridge. Or I'm gonna try it in the shop and Ethernet it to my computer and see if that'll work. I'm hoping to get lucky. I'm having trouble getting my fiber in to reach through the shop. It's a metal building, but it's got that really, really hard insulation on the inside, and they told me it's probably going to be a hard time getting through there. I did get it on the 2.4, but it's not consistent. I mean, it kind of drops. So I bought this bridge thing, and I'm going to use that. I don't like to get on this highway. I mean, it's not too traffic now, but I stay on the frontage road all the way home. I had a couple stop signs, but no big deal. Beautiful day. I'm gonna drive home tonight. My wife and I hate leaving here and then driving back to the Austin area. I'd rather stay up here. But we're getting there. Maybe 2 more weeks tops, and then we'll be up here full time. Depends on how much we can get done at home. I got a power wash. Oh, I gotta spray the gutters out. I gotta wait for that pollen to get done. My gutters just fill up full of leaves and pollen. So I have to get on a 2-story house and kind of crouch over and so I don't fall off and blow the gutters out with the leaf blower. It works pretty good, but I want to get all that done before we sell it. I do it every year. It's nasty. I got gutters on the new house, but the trees don't overhang the house, and there's no live oak. The live oak in Austin is just terrible. Now that looks like sod. Yeah. We're selling sod there. It looks like Bermuda, though.